You can go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. I've just let these little things slip out of my mouth, because it's you, oh it's you, it's you, they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I will let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to, I'm in love with you. And all your little things